Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the hip strip in Montego Bay. We are actually looking at the Spanish Court Hotel, which was recently named the #1 all-inclusive hotel in Jamaica. So the hip strip is basically a tourist area in Montego Bay. You have a lot of beaches, hotels, shopping areas, etc. So today we are going to give you an update on the tourism industry in Jamaica. More specifically, the new hotels that are being built or are going to be built very soon. Now, Jamaica has 30,000 hotel rooms, but there's so much interest in Jamaica. Everybody wants to either build another hotel, build a new hotel. The tourism industry in Jamaica is doing extremely well. And so we have another 20,000 hotel rooms under construction. So we're going to give you an update on those 20,000 rooms that some are going to be available very soon. Some are actually available because Rio just opened in May and they're doing extremely well. And it's actually their 7th hotel in Jamaica. Alright guys, so we're going to go through an article that gives an update on these additional 20,000 hotel rooms. Investment in Jamaica's tourism industry has reached new heights, with existing hotel companies expanding their presence and new investors ready to build new properties. These developments signify expansion and demonstrate our commitment to offering world-class hospitality experiences to visitors from around the world, added Minister Bartlett. Construction start dates or development plans are in place for thousands of additional rooms. Princess Resorts will add another 1,000 rooms to complement their existing offerings. Grand Palladium Lucy will expand with 1,000 additional rooms, and further west, the Wyndham brand will re-emerge in Jamaica with the construction of the Viva Wyndham featuring just under 1,000 rooms north of Negril. Progress continues on the 1,100 rooms at Hard Rock in Montego Bay. Secrets is expanding with over 100 new suites, and a significant new resort with 1,285 rooms, whose name has yet to be revealed, is also planned for the island's tourism capital. Tourism development continues in Trelawney with major hotel brands like Harmony Cove, Planet Hollywood, and the expansion of the H10 Resort. Bahia Principal in St. Anne is undertaking a multifaceted expansion project that includes villas, condominiums, hotel rooms, a PGA certified golf course, a fishing village, and housing for tourism workers, all using a broadly environmental sustainable development approach. Secrets will develop a 700-room hotel in St. Anne as well. So that is the end of the update, but we can add to it that Rio just opened a 754-room hotel in Trelawney, and Sandals just opened Duns River, Sandals Duns River. Quite a few hotels are in the process of opening. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about what's going on in Jamaica. And also the Pinnacle is building 4 towers at 28 floors each, and 1 tower will be a hotel. And in Kingston they are working on Project 77, where the Wyndham Hotel used to be, and they are planning to build a 32-story building that will be a hotel. And also, although the project is yet to make any significant headway, the Ascent is supposed to be a mixed-use facility in Kingston that's also going to be a hotel. And Terra Nova is building a 14-floor structure, which is also an expansion of the hotel. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm not sure if we said it at the beginning, but this is actually the hip strip that we're driving on in Montego Bay. And the government actually plans to spend billions of dollars to renovate the hip strip because this is like Montego Bay is the tourist capital of Jamaica, and the Hip Strip is like one of the most popular tourist areas in Jamaica. To the right of us is actually Harmony Beach, where the government spent billions of dollars to fix up the property. Very nicely done. We have videos up on it, you can check it out. We also have videos up about the government's plans for the Hip Strip. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.